If you need to change the canvas resolution DPI in Krita, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and safe way. Whether you are preparing artwork for print or you want to understand the difference between changing DPI and resampling your image, this guide will help you do it correctly without confusion. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Krita and digital arts tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Krita and load the artwork you want to work on. Once your file is open, go to the top menu bar and click Image, then choose Scale Image to New Size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+I on your keyboard, which is a much faster way to open the same window. Now this next part is very important, because there are two different ways to change DPI in Krita, and the method you choose depends on what you want to do. If your goal is to change the DPI without altering the actual pixels of your artwork, then you want to use the metadata only method. This is the best option when your piece is already finished and you are preparing it for print. In this case, you do not want Krita to resample or blur your original painting. To do that, check the box for adjust print size separately and also check constrain proportions. This keeps the document proportionally correct while letting you change the print resolution safely. On the other hand, if you want to change the DPI and also scale the pixels of the document, then you need to use the resampling method. This is useful if you are intentionally upscaling or downscaling the physical pixel workload of the file along with the resolution change. For this method, uncheck adjust print size separately, but keep constrain proportions checked. That way, Krita knows you want the image dimensions to stay balanced while the image itself is being resized. Once you have chosen the correct method, look at the bottom half of the dialog box and find the print size section. This is where the resolution setting is located. Make sure the drop-down next to resolution is set to pixels per inch. That is the standard setting you will usually want for DPI adjustments. Now click inside the resolution box and highlight the current number. Type in your new value depending on your goal. If you are preparing artwork for sharp physical printing, use 300.00. That is the standard print resolution for high-quality results. If you are setting up artwork for digital screens or web use, you can use 72.00, which is a common screen resolution value. After entering your new resolution, take one last look at your settings and make sure you selected the correct mode. This step matters because choosing the wrong option could change your pixels when you only wanted to adjust the print size, or leave the document unchanged when you intended to resample it. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the changes and close the window. Krita will process the update, and your canvas will now use the new DPI setting based on the option you selected. And that's it. You now know how to change canvas resolution DPI in Krita, whether you want to adjust print size only or resample the artwork itself. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Krita tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly digital art tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.